All right, we are 1 hour in. As you can see, the duck is starting to get some good color. Our dinner, being chicken, is cooking along. And our cured kulpa, starting to get color there. Same thing with the shanks as well. It's after 1 hour. One hour in, 250 degrees. All right, we are at just under 2 hours. So what I've been doing is lightly basting this duck with an orange and Asian glaze. It's got ginger, soy, a lot of Stein syrup, which is something that we use a lot in Louisiana. A few other odds and ends with us getting basted, and it's going right back in. Here we are. This is hour 3. It's about to get wrapped and then put back on the smoker until it's pull apart tender. But as you can see, the basting has done a really good job of getting some really wonderful color. So we're just going to continue to get a little more on this here and then cover it up and let it do its thing. All right, here we have the finished product. It took about 6 hours, but really nice doneness to it. As you can see, just pulling apart now. It's got a really nice glaze to it, so I'm just gonna let that set. And then right here is the confit that we had going, that I had cooking on the grill with the orange peel and the bay leaf. So I shredded this down and got it to the flavor and texture that I want. And now I'm going to cap this off with a little bit of this olive oil and duck fat. Alright, this is now fully set. And as you can see, that fat has encapsulated the confit. And now it is ready to store in my fridge until I'm ready to eat it. And here are those pork shanks that have now smoked for about 6 hours. And then this is the tasso copa that I have here. So now I'm going to vacuum seal these individually and use them when I do pinto beans.